Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. So this is the big brake kit from Silver Mine Motorsports for the BMW E30. Let's get into a little unboxing here. We've got our front caliper. Oh my God. A 6-piston front wheel wood caliper along with the Silver Mine Motorsports mount bracket to mount it to the E30 stock mounting locations. So awesome. Our rotors, brake pads, our rears. Oh yeah. Little 4-piston for the rear. So I got the front caliper off and I got my wheel well all very clean inside of here. So now it's time to put the new caliper on. Here's a stock caliper versus our new 6-piston. This probably roughly weighs around 8 to 10 pounds, I would assume. This, however, weighs probably about 3. So beautiful. Let's get it all tightened up. Big brake kit on right front wheel is installed.